Hi friends, today let us see the second part of leave tracker. Here I have included 3 additional details like public holiday, first half leave and second half leave. For public holiday I am denoting it with some color, and let's see how to update the first half leave and also the second half leave with conditional formatting. Select all the cells for which the conditional formatting needs to be applied. Click on conditional formatting, click on new rule and select format only cells that contain, and from the drop down select specific text and containing. For first half leave I am just giving as FHL. You can give any characters of your choice and then give format. I am filling it with some fill effects and I am just giving diagonal color so that it is making a clear difference between a leave and a first half leave and second half leave. So I am just updating it with some red and white color combination. Give OK, OK and OK, and if you give first half leave, then that cell will change its color. Okay, so I am just updating that formatting for the reference also, and for second half leave also do as the same for first half leave. Conditional formatting, new rule, format cells only contain specific text. Second half leave, click on format, fill effects, diagonal, red. Okay, so second half leave is also being updated. Okay, so now the first half leave and second half leave is coming up fine, and the total of that is not been updated here because we have given only countif for L. So we will add up this second half and first half leave also. For that we can give plus countif. My range is C9 to A9, comma within quotes FHL, close quotes. This formula will give a value as 1 because it is just countif, whereas it is only a half a day leave which is 0.5. I'm just dividing this by 2. Okay, if I drag this formula, you can see here it is changing to 0.5. Here it didn't change because we haven't given second half leave. We will add up second half leave also. So copy this formula plus and paste the formula. Instead of FHL I am giving SHL and give enter. Then if you drag that formula to the other cells, you are getting second half leave details also, so which is 0.5. so if you give first half and second half leave both, it will change as 1. Okay, so this is the data for Jan month. I want to create multiple sheets where I can see all the whole year's data into one single sheet, which is a consolidated. So here I have the roll number, student name and each month's data. I am going to keep this Jan month's data as a draft file, and with that I am going to create for other months also. Right click on the sheet name, move or copy, create a copy and just moving it to the end and give OK. So now 2 files have come up. Select both the sheets and then right click, move or copy, create a copy and move to end. You will have additional 2 more. How many ever sheets you want, select all those sheets together and give right click, move or copy, move to end, create copy, give OK. So additional sheets, so 4 plus 4, 8 sheets have come up. So now rename each sheets with the month name, so Feb, and make sure the month also you change it in the D column, and once you change the month, all other details will also be changed. For other months also I have created the sheets. Now I am going to put consolidated for all the months, and for that the formula is equal to VLOOKUP of student name, comma, go to the specific month, from student name select all the cells, comma 33, 0. So here I have to drag this formula to other cells, fill down and fill right. For that I have to freeze the cells. For that F2 I am editing the formula, whereas B2, in that B is freezed whereas the 2 is not freezed, and for Jan B to AH I am freezing this because these cells are same for all other sheets also, and give enter and drag the formula. So Jan data has been updated. So wherever Jan is there, I want to replace it. So select Feb month and replace it with Feb, and replace all. You give OK, and select March month and replace with March. Select April month, replace with April. Okay, so now all details has been updated. So if I give leave for Jan month, the data gets updated here. If I give leave for Feb month, that data gets updated here, and same with the other months also. Okay, you can create till December and have this as a consolidated file for the whole year. Hope this was very much helpful and useful to you. Thank you so much.